Hey everyone, looking to upgrade your home workouts without filling your room with heavy equipment? You're watching Best Product, and today we're talking about a smart and compact fitness solution that replaces an entire rack of weights with one simple design, the Adjustable Dumbbells Set. If you want something practical, space-saving, and easy to use, you're going to love this. Let's get started. Meet the FireDune Adjustable Dumbbells Set. This smart all-in-one system is built for people who want flexibility in their training without the mess of multiple dumbbells lying around. Instead of buying separate weights for every level, this single unit gives you 5 weight options in one compact design. You can quickly switch between 2 pounds and 10 pounds, depending on your workout. Whether you are toning muscles, burning fat, or building strength, you can match the weight to your goal in seconds. One of the best things about the FireDune Adjustable Dumbbells Set is the rapid 1-second adjustment system. With a simple twist, you can change the weight instantly. There is no need to pause your workout or search for another dumbbell. This is perfect for high-intensity routines and supersets where timing matters. You stay in your rhythm and keep your heart rate up, which makes your workout more effective. Comfort is just as important as performance, and FireDune clearly understands that. The dumbbells feature a 4.5-inch TPU handle designed to fit most hand sizes. The handle has a raised dot texture that improves grip. Even when your hands get sweaty, the dumbbells stay secure and stable. That means you can focus on your form instead of worrying about slipping. Another big advantage is the compact footprint. These dumbbells take up only 2 square feet of space. That is incredibly small compared to traditional sets. You can easily store them in a corner, slide them under a bed, or even pack them into a gym bag. They are great for home workouts, office breaks, or even rehabilitation sessions. If you travel often, this compact design makes it much easier to stay consistent with your training. The square shape is also a smart design choice. Unlike round dumbbells that roll away on the floor, these stay in place. This adds extra safety and convenience. It also allows you to use them for exercises like push-ups, where stability is very important. You get more workout options with just one piece of equipment. Speaking of safety, the FireDune Adjustable Dumbbells Set includes a 45-degree rotation system combined with a dual locking mechanism. Once you select your desired weight, it locks securely into place. This gives you peace of mind during every lift. You can train with confidence, knowing the plates will not shift or loosen while you are exercising. Overall, the FireDune Adjustable Dumbbells Set combines convenience, smart engineering, and reliable safety in one compact form. It replaces multiple dumbbells, saves space, adjusts in 1 second, offers a comfortable grip, and stays stable during use. It is designed to make your workouts smoother and more enjoyable, no matter where you train. Ready to simplify your fitness routine? Check the price link in the description and see if this set fits your goals. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Best Product for more helpful fitness finds. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.